Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at VAPA, Vista Academy of Visual and Performing Arts here in Vista, California. Just an honor to be back. This is my final visit for this school year in the Vista Unified School District, and I just had an assembly here in their PAC for the AM, PM students and staff, the after school program. And the main focus was on perseverance. And this means not giving up, always trying, not quitting. Knowing that challenges can make us stronger, they can help us grow. And in the midst of difficult situations and times that we're going to face or have faced or are currently facing, that we can still maintain this attitude of persistence, right? To keep pushing until success happens. The sub-theme was have a growth mindset. And when we talk about a growth mindset, it's in comparison to a fixed mindset. But the growth mentality is where, we approach every day, every moment, wanting to grow, right? Wanting to improve, wanting to better ourselves and the people around us, right? And we do that by creating healthy habits. One of those is how we speak to ourselves. The person we'll talk to the most in our life is ourselves. So we want to tell ourselves something positive, and whatever you tell your brain and your heart, it's going to believe. So we definitely want it to always be positive in nature, to not focus on the negative. It's sometimes human nature that we do focus on the negative more than the positive, but it's something that is so crucial to understand, especially at a young age. Because once you kind of see other life stories of students that are in kindergarten, fourth grade, third grade, fifth grade, that have still made a conscious choice and efforts to keep persevering in the midst of trials and tribulations, it's just something that's vital, and to see that there were a lot of pin drop moments here with the students, especially today, even some of the adults, I know that something's sinking in. And these are our future leaders. These are the ones that are going to go out and hopefully mimic kindness and love and principles of peace. And, that's really what the premise was of today's program, right? And look, we know that mistakes help us learn. Failures help us learn. And it's okay to fail. It's okay to make a mistake. It doesn't make us a mistake, doesn't make us a failure. As long as we keep going, keep trying, and knowing sometimes too that if we just tried one more time, maybe success will happen, right? Maybe that miracle will show up. And speaking of miracles, the concept I always bring up in every presentation is the lines on our hand, etched on our hand. I always trace one of mine here, but we have at least one on each hand. That M stands for miracle, upside down, W is for worthy. That we're beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we really buy into that, now it's our job to go out into this world and help others around us, right? To encourage them with the right heart and energy and enthusiasm, try to build others up. And in the process, it brings us that internal joy too. So thanks again for touching my heart though. Like I said, this is my last visit for this school year, but have a great rest of the few weeks that you have remaining, a great summer break. Look forward to seeing you again in the fall to keep building on everything that we continue to discuss. And as always though, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.